Guys, southern Michigan today has some insane wind. Holy moly! I doubt this microphone's helping much. The wind is knocking the camera around. Let's go check on some things. 45, 50 mile an hour wind gust today, I believe is what we're having. It's pretty impressive, really. So, the pigs don't seem to mind too much. They, of course, just want some more food. Not much seems to affect the cows. Hi, baby. A couple years ago, we lost a trampoline to the wind. Now we have it staked down. And of course, Faith and I were gonna hunt out of these hunting blinds today and tomorrow.